Morning children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class we have done revision of chapter number 4 simple machine till wage. Now today we will see some objective questions from this chapter. So let us see. Give an example of the following simple machines. First question is given screw. So the answer will be bolt and a screw jack is the example of a screw. Question number 2 wedge. Knife and axe are the example of wedge. 3. Wheel and axle. Ferris wheel and screwdriver is the example of wheel and axle. Now in second part fill in the blanks. We'll see fill in the blanks. The first question is given. A dash is an inclined plane wound around a rod spirally making a number of turns on it. So here the answer will be a screw is an inclined plane wound around a rod spirally making a number of turns on it. Now question number 2. The pitch. The dash of a screw is the distance between its adjacent threads. So the answer will be pitch. The pitch of a screw is the distance between its adjacent threads. Third part is a wedge is a combination of two dash. Therefore, the answer will be a wedge is combination of two inclined plane. Next we will see in page number 72. Fill in the blanks. Work is said to be done when a dash. So answer will be in place of dash we'll write down force. Move a body in its own direction. Question number 2. If a force causes zero displacement, then work done is dash. Answer will be 0. Third, complex machines are made of a dash of two or more dash machines. Then answer will be complex machines are made of a combination of two or more simple machines. Fourth part, a screw jack acts as a dash multiplier. So the answer will be force multiplier. Question number 5. In a class 3 lever, the dash is between the load and the dash. So the answer will be in class 3 lever, the effort will be the answer is between the load and the fulcrum. Question number 6. A dash is commonly used for holding things together and lifting materials. So here the answer will be a screw is commonly used for holding things together and lifting material. Question number 7. The sharper the edge, the dash it is to pierce the object. The answer will be easier. The sharper the edge, the easier it is to pierce the object. Now we will see true and false. State whether the following statement are true or false. Correct the false statement. Now the first question is a simple machine makes work easier by producing energy on its own. It is false. Here we have to write down a simple machine make work easier by providing easier it neither providing energy by its own. Question number 2. Class 2 lever works like a force multiplier. It is true. Third part is the smaller the lead of a screw, the higher is the mechanical advantage. It is true. Fourth, a movable pulley reduces the effort used to pull the load. True. Question number 5. The wheel and axle must move alternatively to form a simple machine. It is false. In place of alternatively, we have to write down together. 6. The efficiency of every machine used by us is always equal to 100%. It is false. Answer will be in place of equal to we have to write down less than 100%. Now let us see, circle the correct option. Which of this statement about lever is not true? A part, it is used to lift a heavy weight with minimum amount of force, B, it amplifies the input force, C, it is rigid bar or rod provided on a fixed support, it is used as a speed multiplier. So C is the right option. Next, question number 2. If the load is between the fulcrum and the effort, the lever belongs to option A class 1, option B class 2, option C class 3, and option D both A and B. So the right option is option B class 2 lever. Now we will see question number 3. The mechanical advantage of an inclined plane is dash. Here options are given. First option is always equal to 1, B option is always less than 1, C always greater than 1, D mostly greater than 1. So the right option is C, always greater than 1. Fourth, class 3 lever is used as dash. Option A, distance multiplier, B, force multiplier, C, speed multiplier, and D, energy multiplier. So right option is C, speed multiplier. Question number 5. Which of these is not an example of a fixed pulley? Option A, wheel. Option B, flagpole. Option C, crane. Option D, none of these. So the right option is crane. Option C. Now question number 6. The linear distance covered by the screw in one complete turn is called its option A, pitch. Option B, fulcrum. Option C, axle. Option D, lead. So the right answer is option D, lead. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.